अखोई से तमदलीबा अखोई का चिंगदलीबा अखोई का मसीगु मतंग द खेन बखरली मीगी कमिटी ngasai consultative committee हाइबदो मीगी only one committee सिना decide तगुनी कनादा टिकट पीगने पीरो हाइबसे मधु यादव मी चोंगथो लेपचे बुदुनी इंडिविजुअल तागदोरी अदना अइना नोंगमा कैंडिडेट अमा खवरी सुम साबदा कोइनी लेमिनाव तंजादा चा थमने तंजादा करी हाइगो करी करी तगुदोरी नंगिदी करी करी हाइदर करी हाइगो यंगो मिस्टर सोनामनी I am under the command of NPF. Unless the NPF approve, I cannot express my own views, say Miras. Kaya lugro tan khandi view. That means he doesn't consider himself that he is so able and he is the all in all Haidi. They have a high regard for that consultative committee and the NPF ki hired ecolon the Madun Moin Hairpudi Matungina Mamada Togani Haida. What a wonderful Mr. Pami. Adu inner the Kangde, outer the Kangde, any candidate Manipur Gitamukta Lepa Haibis Manipuri candidate Ogidabani. We want absolute the credibility who maintains Pukchain Senba, Marinjan Leba, Sanja Thumja the Chop Taba, Todok Hendonga Chop Taba, Marinjan Leba, Parliament the Kangde, Rajya Sabha the Kangde, anyone nominated or anyone elected, Akoi Manipur represent Toguduriba Muese, my Masai personality Leba, where he can address with the full confidence. The Chalaga dummy candidate Haibido. Akuni NCC ka Torupatan Jada Nomai Pire Gakun Bennett Charles Tobutan Jada Dumigi Lingoigi Mish Harga Bora Matambado Laga Duto Kuni NCC Charles Saibatan Jada Bennett Natoru Charles Tobudo. That kind of a dummy candidate. We have seen many MPs who has no courage to open mouth. Or the parliament the Chalaga, Rajya Sabha the Chalaga, Tumin Natara Lepag Ashir Pama Sum Liba, meaning Anga Shumta Liba, Ataguma Mushing a question pam pamde. A question Pami say, who can safeguard Manipur? Who can bring the integrity of the entire Manipur Gyakwe society Punamak, religions Punamak, Sagi Punamak, Hajik Toiba issue Siga, Chin Kuki, Jogi Matangda. We won one MP. Unfortunately, from the inner or outer, none of the MP apparently have not opened their mouth. Adidya koi tamakte MP thagat pe career thaleri na koi nasagi selfies oi by MP. We do not want. Praja me amda koi hangachage. Paisa da ngau gunu. Paisa da hural laga piri moina chaithoko paisa do mada saitan ne na lobiu. Paisa chaba mi thagat paduna ning si thoi bada sa se parliament or Rajya Sabha openly ngang dadana government of India na tauning bata taudana haning bata han bata taudana prime minister na Manipur da lau jadriba home minister na lau jadriba se masi akoi mina masi haibang ngamdaba hangatpang ngamdaba kosang tobang ngamdaba adu by MP thagat pasunga ya de Manipur da Nasi akoi praja mayam fattabadi praja mayam akoi ni hayeng sen jelakpada sen kanana jamna pi aduna chetkadi kambu mutawgani adu miyoi thagat patarabadi Manipur kai ribasa adu miyoi thagat padi kai bani aduna laibasa ngasi thamakai me thasi manungdadi campaign se soidan ngasi hauba hauragani hajitai bo kharkrasum tarungani hongba chauba anybody lepsanu karim ta kai de modi ngasai consultative committee ada outer the taurisum I wish that akoi issue public mayam na siguma consultative committee ama ka leiribadi masi asing mamiu si thagat patarabadi Manipur tamangta lepangangani represent duri se mak akoi yam da 15-20 lakhs ki mi gi on behalf the represent tawgutami ngasi Manipur thoi bi issue punama se our member of parliament leiriba or Rajya Sabha or in akoi or ki parliament lady by elected to give or nominated to give Mio Sing Sina. I say Mio Sing Sina. Since they have not bothered for the Manipur state, since they have not uttered even a single word to the government of India, since they have not argued even one word to the government of India, the Nasi Manipur the Nation Wariba, Mimim Halali Puna Muslimukan Wam Tangangdaba, protest over Kiba, Haibu Kiba, Mapam Tandupi Gidra, I Matang that get Pangurutra, Haidan Manda dummy, have the Maroon Mile, Kaim Toktana, Machinja Pochel, Legatumina Pamna Legata, Minanga, the Kubakuba, Mana the Ngangbang. Daba adu maki ngang mangam adu miyo sini chakone Manipur thogairi bise adu member of parliament kan election ni to biwa tarak pata prajamayam adum ge fundamental rights ne kana gumam na dictate tawba kana om ne ju bitha ka dum nga hol ga botha dan ba or paisa pire jail ga tha dan ba adu mami do pap chelami ngatani Manipur mang no ngatani moi gum miyo de sunda tha da biwi jade icham cham na hairba Manipur prajamayam nung shiba Manipur Shihir Mio Miam Singshi Mam the Kanbiba Manipur Machet Tagen Chin Cookie Jo Gumba terrorist Todisigi Mam the Tingmang Mangang Mangamba Mio Nasibo MP Amata Talk 3 even including our government of Manipur Haibangamdri Adu Mamiu Shing the leader on the Lakpata Arabadi Manipur Machet Tavadimine advantage mean a low divase Adun I request Manipur the Ladyba Ching, Tami, Khangde, Sagai, Nate, complete Khangde, Adu religion, other religion, everybody Manipur citizen Naktani. Everybody has to exercise my franchise land to Gudavania. Me Khanbatai, who is the right man? I can own a man, a window polishing pyramid, Mana Taruk Pirimo, the Muchong Sange, Taruk Pyramid, Amunula, Lishing Mohapchel, military pyramid, I the Muchong Tokuchong, Toriba Hojik, Toriba say, Adu Topigano. अदोंगी इचाइसु में प्रोटेक्शन तो होंगे अखोई स्टेट से प्रोटेक्शन तो होंगे अखोई इज्जत लेने हिंसी हालदी पैसा पीर द लाख न हुंदोको मोन चेंग चाप करी के जेन मको पतो द लाख न हुंदोको अदर अचुम मी थबक तगदो मी खनबियो civil society organizations pun mak khanbiu hai bisman thamjege
matang sida paung da ina lakchani waje hoji especially naga community da leiriba magi candidature sing si chorang na nei na matam da NPF tagi karam ba kana candidate kana where kadage have si yamna highly competitive oibe area amani maram di masida Dr. Lorho Pozezi hoji ki parliament ki mem MP oirivani magni Senapati district tagi ni adagi then K. Timothy Zimixi IRS retired ni hanagi chief commissioner income tax oirambani masase aduga hojuji na mas Ukul district based over mas Tangkul machani and then Dr. Ellison Abomai sina Tameng district tagini hoji NPP ticket tanari bje madudagi then Khozon sina hanagi United Naga Council ki handaki sigi mamangi ek immediate habatai United Naga Council ki president oirambani highly ba yamna highly powerful candidate habatai makoi mayam ki candidature sing ji kamaina pabung ubi aduga NPFC lakadoriba Lok Sabha election jida especially in the outer parliamentary constituency jida makoi ki chance kamaina ui pabung
jumyo akoina kuting jan ngamdi makoi affiliation se particularly ching the labising se NPF is controlled by the Kohima NPF की हजी की president or chairman औरंगुदबसे most probably former chief minister Sirojilin औरंगुदरा नतना आर्जलियन औरंगुदरा आई कुइरबनी ना मदे खंद्रे हानदी Mr. कुइगे Sirojile one of the most कुइगे honest कुइगे person who was chief minister for some time 35 years samase legislative member assembly or very well familiar with the कुइगे जम honest अबमियो नी Aishu Chaitra Mari Mangaisu Marcel or Patan Yang Upangi. He talked less only to the point. Other Moon NPF ki dictate Amalagi. Within the ambit of their Makoi instruction among the Moito the Bayaroi. Other Akoi Dona come to
Upon Ponziner or
Hi,
President.
Acha, upon Ponganer or Metadu, the Essay Sabki. Maki machanupa orangudra most probably upon ponganers orangudra haiba inisum anyway pay anyone oisano makoi the committee paginally but the thoroughly candidate puna mo interview tawgani interview tawraga adu matakta makoi the certain assignment bakoi the pigani sa meghalaya gumda kana gum vote le patare mo candidate ohum mari moi kawgani and meghalaya the chehi manga taruk le patanje ne sum u pangjada what all you are going to perform what all you are going to do for the people you tell us in front of all the mass public and you Darbar Snong or Darbar Dong kahin mo khasi lom the community to hold the kogri mo list puna lakane nang last year nang kai to gi chehi manga dain yes lambi ni shem gi nala si shem gi electricity me and pi gi school line si shagi si khole made mo gi chip tan punam lo chu phang public phangani mo lo note to gudur me nang ka batar bade what all you are going to achieve and what all you are going to contribute and hide mohi guarantee lowi asumai na wahang towi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯩꯁꯥꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯌꯦꯟꯕꯗ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯦ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯆꯠꯅꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯋꯥꯍꯪꯉꯒ ꯍꯪꯉꯨ ꯇꯥꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯁꯥꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯥꯈꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯗ ꯄꯨ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯆꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯈꯦꯠꯅꯩ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯏꯕꯟ ꯁꯤꯂꯣꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯂꯥꯏꯖ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯐꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ NPF ꯀꯤꯗꯤ that to be within the ambit and within noi naga akoi naga na demand tawrisiga noi support tawdra tawredi even asibos moi da hangaduri and they have to be committed there yes ayuda tawgani Dr. Akoi Fujo ma outer MP ni ma Manipur manam da ma kari tawkhige hardly anything I have seen zero Manipur ki manam da miti loan na parikha thaloi akoi ge naga pun mulla mai masa loan thangada mi kan against the government chalaga central government chalaga nampo da chalaga modi approval ke pun lai outer ge they are free it is as good as beyond our control haibatai manam da badu since we stay together we have to live together and we have to go together aduna mai pamba party ki ma man tawjarak paduna madra mai khushi ni but only khuna pamba se Manipur ki disintegrity ohan bagi issue kana wum tak tawudi will strongly vehemently will oppose it aduna mokoi gi di adinga sain haijabdo akanauma candidate oigedor mi yom na chumse wari uta sanamada haire namu kari tawgudorige karmai kumar haide I'm sorry unless the NPF advice I cannot open my mouth as on today in man hierarchy and OSC no ide jito Manipur da charaga Manipur da leiraga control na remote control adali badura no dinna nagale me thada lunna haidma no since I'm seeking ticket adigi haidna aduna masig ma procedure khara leiri yamna pangi haigedra yamna singye haigedra yamna honest haigedra yamna sincere ui haigedra or yamna loyal ui haigedra my headquarter do
yam tien coming khetang pawung dagi lojauge first round sida outer gi su pulap nei na badi yaroi dori first round sida but especially naga section sida yeng ka da congress party dagi kana candidate oina outer parliamentary constituency da thador ka dagi haidena mayam na panabazi mapung oina Alfred Arthur and Victor Kaising ani si manung da candidate se amadi congress ki maike dagi MP candidate oina thador ka ni haidena mayam na panari makoi ni maksi tangkuloi do ni and tangkuloi bitan natana makoi ani si Manipur gi legendary political family amadagi haibatai mogi legacy mapung phana leiba amana Risang Kaising gi family dagi oidoni amana Major Bob Cutting gi family de oidoni haiba candidate ani si dagi amadi congress ta lakpa yai habaji mayam na pana bani hoji phaugi oinadi unconfirmed oidi pam kari mi yeng lei swaida
ajibio samna hariga tangkul gi politicians sing se makoi se akun admire to bham thoi they are always loyal to the state and to the people masi akoi ayam matam lu ugo phangi Risang Kaising sab or ani rek omlong chief minister ubirami adomnin khangbiri de mapanda leri adu as part the history adu yamna loyal oil even young moso saija ma ani rek nante omla pho palamba yabani lebak thina ma lekhidabani adu makoi Manipur gi integrity Manipur nungsiba or Manipuri mayam punum ko punne himena punum se masi aina khanjub the Mr. Alfred se Mr. A.S. Arthur gi mai macha dinate ko
but he is from the family of Major Bob Cutting ki family da gi de oire mach
ajuki Mr. A.S. Arthur himself mas minister su orambra MLA su orambra Manipur da MLA orambra mas Nagaland legislative assembly gi secretary orambra ma secretary orambra aduna ain hajari se maki macha most problem oringo da mari lawai kartang sam kare jo nahani jam very outspoken and very free frank friendly the high aduna we wish anyone akoi di tangkul khangde mau khangde any cookie khangde chin khangde who considered himself he is a Manipur citizen who considered that he is an MLA or he is a minister or he is a chief minister we wish that anybody should come take over as a chief minister karim takaide but who should not destroy and who should not think that oh I got a ticket from the other state no my loyalty should be always there hai with the madidi to biyate adun akoi tamaktadi who considered himself he is a Manipur citizen who really thinks for seriously for the Manipur people ki tamakta or Manipur state ki tamakta and who can go along with all the local people pun mokka sagai kunthra mari manga cha punne chamina ba mioi adugumba jamna decisive oiba jamna personality leiba jamna khoi understanding leiba adu mamioi anybody let come no problem nupa nupi any sagai oison anybody come we appreciate
thank you so much anybody can come now